my name is Nicolia. So regarding my reflection from what I learned in the leadership session, I realized that servant leadership is not just about being nice. It's about balancing empathy with accountability. And great leaders don't have to choose between caring for their people and driving results. The strongest leaders master both of them. Another powerful lesson I learned is that the best leader you can be is yourself. Leadership is not about copying others. It's about being authentic, staying true to your values, and serving from who you are as a person. What inspired me the most was the idea of coaching instead of rescuing, guiding and supporting people so they grow while holding them accountable to clear standards. I also see now how connecting others to purpose makes work more meaningful and motivates higher performance. The key takeaway for me is that servant leadership without accountability leads to comfort, while accountability without servant leadership leads to burnout. But when you blend the two and stay authentic to yourself, both people and performance can truly flourish. One action I'll take this week is to practice clear and authentic communication, being myself, setting expectations clearly, and supporting others with empathy. Thank you.